Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. And that's right, guys, we have some more Harbor Freight savings for you guys today. So today, guys, we're going to be taking a look at Harbor Freight's Merry Christmas sale. Now through December 26th. Shop and save today. So as always, guys, before we jump right into this, as a reminder, we're only going to touch on the things that we've had some good experience or bad experience with, give you my thoughts and opinions on some items, and let you know whether we've heard some good stuff or bad stuff about a certain item or product. If I happen to miss something, or you guys want to agree or disagree with me, make sure you guys put that down in the comment section and let us all know your guys' opinion and thoughts. And if I do miss something, or if I don't speak on something that you guys want to talk about, and give me your experience, whether it's positive or negative, please put that in the comment section as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this Merry Christmas sale. Again, now through December 26th. So right off the bat, we have the Pittsburgh tool set with the case, 130 piece. Original price is $39.99. It's on sale for $32.99. So not a bad deal. We've talked about these before. I don't really have experience with the Pittsburgh sets. But with that being said, $32.99 for a set that you could throw in your car, keep for emergency purposes, and it's going to have that lifetime warranty. It's not a bad deal, guys. The quality might not be there on all items in that set, but you have that that lifetime warranty. Moving on, here is something we can definitely give you our experience with. This is the Quinn 1/4 inch, 3/8 and a 1/2 inch drive SAE metric high vis socket set. It's going to be the 66 piece. Original price is $59.99. It's on sale right now for $49.99. So this is not a bad set, guys. I absolutely loved it. The only issue I had with this was, actually, there was two issues I actually had with this. Number one was the main issue, which killed it for me, was the Quinn sockets, or I'm sorry, the socket wrenches. These things were absolute trash. What occurred with me was I would get the lever mechanism that is the reverse and forward, or lefty loosey righty tighty lever, would literally spin 360 degrees sometimes, as well as on the other side of the head where the screws were, right, they would kind of get loose, and I would have to kind of tighten it up. And there was occasions where when let's say I was tightening a fastener, it would skip teeth. So overall, the ratcheting, the socket wrenches were really bad. Again, I don't know if I got a bad set, but they were really bad. The second thing, which was not that much of an issue, was in the spark plug socket that it does come with. The rubber, I think it was a rubber boot that was in there to help grasp the spark plug to remove it from the cylinder head. That would come out every now and then. It would come off in the spark plug, and I would have to fish the socket back down in there and kind of push it down and remove it. So those are my two complaints. Other than that, the sockets I really enjoyed. Never had an issue with the sockets, and I really loved the red and the blue on them to distinguish from. There you go. See, the blue, that's metric, and the red was SAE. So I really like that color coding. So that's my experience on that. We've talked about that before, so let's go ahead and move on. We got some Hallmaster 2-inch by 27-foot ratcheting tie downs on sale. Original price $16.99. They're on sale for $11.99. Not a bad deal there. Moving on. We've talked about these batteries before. These are the Thunderbolt Magnum AAA alkaline batteries. It's a 24 pack, and you have your options to get the AA, AAA. Original price is $7.99. They're on sale right now for $5.99. So not a bad deal there, guys. We've talked about those before. If you have extra, it's not bad. It's always a good idea to have extra batteries lying around for emergency purposes, or if you have young kids with a lot of toys that require batteries, this is definitely a cheap route. Moving on, we got some Pittsburgh 7-inch wire stripper with cutter on sale for $2.99. We got some microfiber towels. It's a 12-pack on sale for $7.99. Original price is $9.99, so that's not a bad deal. You can never have too many microfiber towels. Moving on. Here is the U.S. General 15-slot wrench organizer. It's a 2-piece. Original price is $12.99. It's on sale for $9.99. Not a bad deal. I don't know how well these work. From U.S. General, if anybody out there wants to give their thoughts and opinions, please feel free to do it in the comment section below. So going back. So what do we got here? We got a Bauer 8.5 amp hour half-inch impact wrench with rocker switch. Original price is $79.99. It's on sale for $59.99. Not sure how the Bauer corded tools are. I've never had a Bauer corded tool. Let anybody want to give their thoughts and opinions, please put it in the comment section below. Here we have a Pittsburgh 4-ton hydraulic bottle jack. Original price is $27.99. It's on sale for $19.99. So we've asked you guys in the past if anybody out there has some good or bad experience with the Pittsburgh bottle jacks. Please leave a comment below. We would really like to know. I'm very curious. I've been meaning to pull the trigger on getting one of these and trying it out for myself, but haven't done that yet. So hopefully we'll do it this round. Moving on. Here we have a Quinn half-inch drive metric low-profile impact socket set. It's going to be a 15-piece. Original price is $39.99. It's on sale for $34.99. So that's not a bad deal there. Low profile gets you into smaller, tighter spaces. And that's the metric. And the SAE set is actually cheaper. The SAE set is going to set you back $27.99 as opposed to the original $29.99. And I want to see, I believe, yep, lifetime warranty on that as well. So that's definitely not a bad deal. We might actually take advantage of that ourselves. Moving on. Got a Hallmaster 2-inch by 20-foot ratcheting tie down on sale for $8.99. We got a camouflage all-purpose weather resistant 5mm tarp on sale for $14.99. Original price is $19.99. Not a bad deal there. Tarps can get expensive. Here we have a Merlin 1/4-inch by 50-foot lay flat air hose. Original price is $29.99. It's on sale for $24.99, so not a bad deal there. I've used a couple of the Merlin accessories for air compressor, and so far no complaint on them. I usually buy their couplers, their fittings, and I want to say I bought an air hose. Wasn't this one, but I think it was a Merlin air hose. I'll have to check on that, but so far no issues with those. More batteries. It's a 6-pack. This is on sale for $5.99 for some D batteries. Not a bad deal there. What else we got? Here we have some Vulcan Defender Professional TIG Welder gloves. Original price is $13.99. They're on sale for $9.99. Not a bad deal there. I have some gloves similar to this. I can't remember exactly what they are. I apologize. But I bought some welding gloves, and they're actually very really nice gloves for the price point. It might have been, it was different than these. Sorry, guys. But not a bad deal there, even for $9.99. More batteries. Here we have a Quinn 3/4 inch drive, impact socket adapter and extension set. It's a 5-piece. Original price is $39.99. It's on sale for $24.99. So that's a pretty good deal right there. And comes in a case. I like that. Definitely not a bad deal there. And again, you're going to get your lifetime warranty, as you can see there. Not a bad deal there. Okay, going to page 2. Like I said, guys, I apologize if I missed something or you guys wanted me to speak on, but if there's anybody else out there, please put your comments in the comment section below and let us know what you guys think of any of these products that you guys see here today. Okay, guys, so we have the Pittsburgh Nylon Pry Bar Installer Kit. It's a 4-piece. Original price is $8.49. This is on sale for $5.49. Not a bad deal there. I believe they have some, the ones I have, well, it's a trim installer piece. But this is a nylon pry bar. Yeah, so it's different. I'm thinking of something else. Sorry about that, guys. But this is a nylon pry bar installer kit, 4-piece for $5.49. So not a bad deal there. Let's see, by curiosity, and that's only for 90 days. I was thinking it was going to be a lifetime warranty. Anyway, so we got some more batteries here. It's a 9-volt alkaline battery 4-pack for $5.99. Some C batteries on sale for $5.99, so not a bad deal. Moving on. Here we have a Syntec 6 and 12 volt circuit tester with 5-foot lead on sale for $2.99. So this is a pretty good product. A little test light. I've used this in the past. I've upgraded since then, but nice little test light, gets the job done. So I highly recommend that, especially for that $2.99 sell price. Moving on, here exactly is a kit that I purchased. It was a Merlin. I believe my hose was yellow, but same difference. This is the kit that I have purchased in the past for my air compressor. Original price is $22.99. It's on sale for $19.99. So not a bad deal here. The Merlin product is pretty good quality. Gets the job done. I definitely would recommend it. So moving on. We got a Merlin dual head air chuck inflator with dial gauge. Original price is $14.99. It's on sale for $11.99. Not a bad deal there. And then we have here the Pittsburgh Pro. Really never had any of the Pittsburgh sockets. So I can't really speak on those. However, we do have this 3/8-inch drive metric high visibility socket set. It's going to be a 10-piece. They're 3/8, 12 point actually. These are metric. Original price is $10.99. They're on sale for $6.99. The SAE is going to set you back $6.99 as well. So not a bad deal. As you can see, I'm there. Not a bad deal on that, especially to have some extra sockets lying around. And let's check and look to see, and they do have that lifetime warranty, guys. So for $6.99 for a 10-piece set, you cannot beat it, especially if you need some 12-point sockets. It's very rare, in my opinion. I don't do this. I'm not a mechanic every single day. But based off my experience, it's been very rare when I need a 12-point socket. It does come up, and I'm sure for the guys that do wrenching for a career, has probably seen it more often. But not a bad deal there, guys. And that is it, guys. That is your Merry Christmas sale now through December 26th. not bad deals there, guys. I do have to say I'm a little disappointed. I really thought there was going to be a lot more stuff for the Christmas sale. However, I do think Harbor Freight went all out for the Black Friday. Their biggest sales were around the Black Friday, or their biggest products that they had on sale were around Black Friday, and I was hoping to really see some good deals around Christmas time. However, I'm a little disappointed, but maybe they'll make it up for New Year's.